Today we're going to talk about changing out a Verona or Genova cartridge. The construction is very similar, so the process is the same. The tools you'll need will be an adjustable wrench and a 3mm Allen key. The first step is to take the Allen key and loosen the Allen screw that holds the handle in place. This will expose the trim ring, which will be the next thing you'll take off. And this will expose the nut that you use the wrench to loosen off. So you just loosen this, and this will expose the cartridge. So when you take the cartridge out, you replace it with the new cartridge. You need to be aware that there's two prongs here that need to fit into the holes in the faucet. So it's important when you put the cartridge back in that you get it to lock into place like that. And so all you have to do from this point is repeat the process and put everything back together.